Nagbabala ka bang pumunta sa Taiwan one of these days? So, I wanted to share our experience in riding via Starlux Airlines. This is in Clark International Airport. So, pagdating nga namin, it's 2 hours before the flight. Kala namin late na kami because 2 hours na lang. Kasi usually if you're in Manila International Airport, usually it's 3 hours or 4 hours para lang umabot ka sa flight mo. May malaking allowance. Pero dito pala, hindi ganun katao. That's why we really enjoyed our flight here in Clark International Airport. Kasi dito yung terminal from where Starlux Airlines operate. Upon arriving, nagpark nga kami ng car namin and ang dami pang parking slot. And then, diretso kami sa travel tax. And then, look at this. Ang iksi ng pila. So, when we're checking in para i-drop din yung luggage namin, ang onti lang ng pila, kaya naman pasok na pasok yung time allowance namin to board sa flight namin via Starlux Airlines. After dropping our luggage, diretso na nga kami sa immigration and then boarding gate. Ang bilis lang din namin sa immigration, kaya nga ang dami pa naming time to walk around doon sa airport. And then ito, papunta na kami sa boarding gate, tingin lang kami sa mga scenery and mapapansin talaga na less yung tao, kaya very peaceful yung boarding namin for our flight. Upon entering the plane, we're surprised, may pa wifi ang Starlux Airlines. And then, meron din siyang entertainment. As you see, may mga movies dito na pwede kang manood during the flight. Para tuloy nang hinayang kami na bakit 2 hours lang yung flight namin going to Taiwan. Yan, may mga games pa for the kids. So, talagang sulit na sulit yung oras. And then, malaki rin yung legroom niya than the usual na flight na tinitake namin. Plus, eto, full board meals ang meron. And in fairness, masarap yung food. Nag-enjoy kami talaga. So, merong rice, may fruits, and then may pastry. Meron ding juice na kasama. Kung ganun lang, nakarating na nga kami sa Taiwan. Pag-uwi, ganun ulit, meron ulit food. So, nanood kami ng onting movie. Pero again, bitin yung 2 hours. Hindi na namin namalayan kasi sobrang okay yung food, okay yung entertainment, yung mamalayan nakabalik ka na. Plus, meron din pala itong mga headset na kasama, ha. So, pwede ka talagang manood. Ayan. And, may pa-coffee pa sila after the meals. Kaya try nyo na rin tong Starlux Airlines sa next na flight nyo. Sana naka-help. Bye-bye!